So,
Hi, Anirudh.
Hashir is here. Now we will speak about ZS. ZS Associates is a company. Hashir,
Yes,
can you
Hashir
speak?
So,
Sethji, please go on.
so ZSC will always come in our college for quality assurance role. So in that they had a 3 round session for everyone who gets selected. So first round is about the technical interview that they are going to ask you about data structure. So they are not going to graphs, but they will ask you to use array linked list structure, and they will give you the problem. You have to write the code for that. It's like a competitive coding. और फिर दूसरा राउंड में ये होगा कि there is a second round is for managerial round in which they will give you different case studies, and they will ask you some HR types of question and some problems. So मतलब उसके अंदर ऐसा होता है कि सीधा सीधा मतलब वो अपना डिटरमाइन करना चाहते हैं कि you can able to solve different problems. Or third round will be about the case study. So in ZS they will always focus in case study, क्योंकि QA में आपको है ना सारी होल होल सब टेस्टिंग करने के लिए सारी चीज़ें आपको आने को होना. सो मतलब वो दे विल गिव यू, फॉर एग्जांपल दे विल give you the system, or they will give you a requirement for the system, and they will ask you how you will approach this system, and what the functionality you have to develop for this system. So like that. So Anirudh, you can also share your experience for that as.
Yes, I don't remember explicitly, but means there was a FT round. Means there was a FT means time bound FT. It was like really fast FT but easy. So on the basis of that FT, I think there were testing questions and some.
Yes, there is a lot of software engineering question in that apti.
Yes, and on and some basic apti questions, and after that they select on the basis of that apti. In the interviews they mostly focus on SQL, DBMS. I think there was one case study round as well.
Yeah.
In case study round, what was there? I don't remember. Hashir, you can speak about that.
यस, सो इन दैट उस उन लोगों ने ये पूछा था कि मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल दे गिव मी अ क्रेडिट कार्ड सिस्टम. सो दे आस्क मी टू व्हाट फंक्शनैलिटी वुड यू डेवलप फॉर दिस सिस्टम. सो यू हैव टू टेल एवरीथिंग about मतलब they are asking you for software engineering approach. So you have to tell them about what functionality you are going to develop, what type of testing, for example for performance testing and stress testing you have to मतलब क्या क्या आप कर सकते हो वो सिस्टम के ऊपर, कितने सारे मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट्स रहेंगे यूज़र के, कहाँ सिस्टम ये फेल हो सकता है, ये सारी चीज़ें वो सब कुछ चीज़ें पूछते हैं वो टेस्ट केस स्टडीज में. Or there is also one or more test case study that is happened in second round. So in that they ask you to determine what you can say, they ask you to determine कि आप मतलब डिटरमाइन कैसे करोगे कि इसके मतलब पूरे नागपुर में कितने व्हीकल्स है, ये आप कैसे पता लगाओगे. सो उसके लिए मतलब ये बहुत वेग मतलब एकदम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट केस स्टडीज रहती है, लेकिन वो आपकी इसमें अप्रोच देखना चाहते हैं कि क्या करोगे आप. सो ऐसे ही टेस्ट के स्टडीज पूछते हैं वो.
Yeah.
So after that there was means in interview they mostly focused on SQL, DBMS, and OOP, and yes, more questions on testing as well. So to study these questions, I used one website. I will share it afterwards. I am not able to remember it explicitly. So in that website, there were some standard SQL questions, standard testing questions. You can read from that if you get selected in for ZS interviews. We will share those resources afterwards. The